Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make these natural bug repellent candles, perfect for those warm summer nights. For the ingredients you'll need mason jars, water, a lemon, a lime, rosemary, tea lights, and lemongrass essential oil. First slice up the lemon and lime. Then alternate them inside each of the jars. Top each jar off with rosemary. Then fill them with water. Put 10 to 15 drops of the lemongrass essential oil in each jar. Then drop each of the tea lights on top of the jars. And that's it! These are so easy to make and you probably have most of the ingredients laying around at home. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.